Okay, so today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the new Bonce ASA4000.1 monoblock amplifier. We're going to be doing it Steve Mead style with a steak knife. I'm going to have to cut this video up ever so slightly because I'm a one-man band. This steak knife is fucking pathetic. There we go. But we'll open it as much as we can this way, and I'll cut the video. Open it up, get the amplifier out of the shipping box, and then we'll go ahead and open up the Bonce box itself. So, brown box is what it ships in. Obviously, this is the proper packaging. ASA4000. Supposedly pretty good amps, according to Tyler Jolly himself. Sorry for the glare. Just doing this in my living room. I'm going to cut here. Give me just a second, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, so I have it out of the shipping box. I got the piece of tape cut. These do have a little bit of a lip on the bottom of them, as you can see here. Have not pulled it out or taken it out of the plastic yet, but that's what we have. Looks like those are going to straddle the amplifier condom, as I call it, being the plastic bag. So what I'm going to do here is cut one more time, and I'll get the amplifier out of the plastic bag, get the bass remote out, and we'll go ahead and take a look at it. Alrighty, got the amplifier out of the box and out of the condom, as you see over here on the right. I'm a pretty big guy, got decent sized hands. You can see that for reference. I'm not breaking out a set of calipers in order to get dimensions. If you want all that, look it up your own darn self. Over here on the inputs and the tuning side, we got ourselves some proper Tiffany RCAs. Tiffany RCAs are the bolt-in style. Got power, protect and clip lights on the side. Your typical gain, subsonic, low pass filter. I'm very, very happy to not see a damn bass boost on this thing. And then we have a output master and input slave switch. This here would be your input in or output, depending on if you're running it as the primary amp or the master amp, or if you're running it as a slave amp, which does exactly what the master says. If you think that's racist, I don't give a fuck. It's what it is. And then I believe it's a RJ45 remote cable connection here. Some of the pictures online depict it having 3 power and ground inputs, but unboxing it, I find it to be exactly like the ASA4000, which is 2 powers and 2 negatives. But unfortunately, they're still joined together. We got ground here, positive there, positive here, ground there. So they are somewhat symmetrical, or mirror image, you might say, being the 2 powers are on the inside, 2 grounds are on the outside. But like Big D Wiz and other people that do unboxing videos of amplifiers all the time would prefer to see both powers on one side, both grounds on the other side. And in the center here, it is a mono block, but you have 2 positive outs and 2 negative outs, just so that you can have more capability for easier wiring of your drivers that you're using, drivers being subwoofers. But the case itself seems to have very good cooling capabilities. Machined aluminum, really nice brushed aluminum finish here. And it says Apocalypse Sport there, as you can see. What was inside the box? You got your, I believe it's a RJ45 cable. You got your bass knob with the power clip and protect lights. It does not click. It is not ductile, whatever it is. It's just a smooth knob. It's going to have your voltage, I don't think it does temperature. Not sure what the color of the LED is. As Big D Wiz would say, a couple of Allen's keys, he gave us those. You got a Steal Me sticker, and then the instruction manual. We don't need those. Especially the Steal Me sticker. Don't need to advertise to the thieves that don't work for a living, that live on our tax dollars, what you have in your ride. But that's what you have there. It's a beautiful amplifier. Tyler Jolly swore that it's just as good, if not better than the AAK, despite it being a Korean style amplifier, but it's manufactured in China in order to cut the cost down. It looks good. The price definitely was right, but time will tell. Have a good day. The ASA4000.1 by Bonce.